Okay, so today we will check about the rest parameter or rest operator. So what happen in the rest parameter is that you don't have to define a number of the arguments. So you just have to use the rest parameter and it will get all the arguments that's coming in the function. So let's check with this. Create a function. Let's say we do a sum of numbers and we have a okay, and we will do sum of the all the numbers. So for that we have to get uh, one number and for loop, not that much, for r of nums. And what we can do is that sum प्लस इक्वल टू आई, जो मीन्स आई में जो भी वैल्यूज़ होगी वो सम में ऐड होती जाएगी. रिटर्न सम. इफ नाउ वी कॉल द फंक्शन सम in the console.log like a sum with a two argument 2 and 3. So it is showing 5 here. If I add another argument here like a 5, it will show 10. If I add another argument here like a 10, it will show 20. So whatever number of input or argument you can add in the sum function, it will automatically add into sum. You don't have to define the number of argument. So that is what we call rest argument or rest parameters.